Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 2015 year model Maserati Quattroporte, and I'm going to change spark plug. And how to change it, it's very easy and simple, and I'm going to share with you. So without wasting time, let's get started. These are the tools I'm going to use. The spark plugs. These are a laser iridium spark plug from NGK, 5mm key, ratchet with a long extension, and this is a 14mm tool. And this tool is used for spark plug, and it has a magnet inside. And then small straight head screwdriver. So the first step will be pop open the hood. So now we're going to open the engine cover. In order to open it, just pull it up, and on the back, same thing on both hands. If you look at the bottom, these are the holes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those goes inside those. These are the bolts, has a rubber on it. So those 4 goes inside this engine cover. So place the cover on side, and now we're going to use the straight screwdriver, and we're going to open. These are the locking tabs, and when we're going to pull this one up, and the other tab that goes down, now we're going to press it and pull the connector out. So this is the way we're going to open all of these. So this is the V6, and it will take 6 spark plugs, 3 on this side, on the passenger side, and 3 on driver side. So after removing the connectors, 5mm Allen wrench key, and we're going to open it. So take out the screw, and this is the coil pack. We're going to pull it out, and use your set to wiggle it, and it will come out just like that. And now we're going to use the ratchet and extension bar and the spark plug tool. So if we look at the spark plug is right there, so we're going to place inside, and we're going to use the ratchet, and we're going to open it. Once it's open, as you can see, so that's how easy the spark plug comes out. And just wanted to show it to you. This is a special tool. So this one has a magnet. So if you see, that sticks to the magnet. You can use the other spark plug tool which has a boot inside, but this one is pretty handy. So this is the new spark plug. And one tip I wanted to share with you: when you're placing the spark plug, this is really important. When you insert it inside, so it's very important when you put it in, do counterclockwise slowly. And once you hear the click, then start doing clockwise. So now we're going to do the hand tight. Now we're going to use the ratchet, and you don't want to over tight it. After the hand tight, just 1/4 turn. And now we're going to put the coil pack back. So once it's pressed in, now we're going to put the screw in. We're going to make sure that we tighten it. So once it's securely tightened, now we're going to put the connector back in. So once the connector is fully seated, we're going to insert it in. And now we're going to put the locking mechanism. And that's it, locks in. So the first spark plug is done. So now we're going to move on to the next one, and the same process. Then use the ratchet and the tool, and we're going to remove it. So we'll repeat the same procedure as I shown to you on the first one. So we're going to remove it. the second one and place it in, and make sure do the counterclockwise. So once you hear that the thread locking in, then start using clockwise, and we're going to make sure that it's tightened. So once it's hand tightened, just do the quarter turn, and that's it. And now we're going to put the coil pack back, press it all the way in, and we're going to make sure that we put the screw back in. Once it's securely tightened, now we're going to put the connector back in. And once it's seated, lock in, and that's it. And now we're going to move on to the third one. The spark plug, they look pretty decent. They don't look that bad, but I just like to change it. And the same procedure. Once it's hand tight, now we're going to use the ratchet and like a quarter turn. Perfect. Place the coil pack back and press it. And now we're going to put the bolt back in. Once it's nicely tightened, and place the connector back. Put the lock in on the passenger side or down. So this procedure, as I shown you, 3 we change it, and these 3 spark plug we're going to replace it on the driver side. And this is the same procedure as you've seen it on the passenger side. I hope this video will help you out and motivate you to do your own DIY. And as you've seen, it's so easy to do it yourself, and you can save a lot of money. And this is the last one, and it's all done. Place the cover back, and that's it. So as always, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.